Hi everybody. Today in this video I will attempt to do a Moto G5 Plus unboxing. So this is the camera, not the camera, the smartphone, and I got it at Best Buy, and it's the 64 gigabyte ROM 4 gigabytes RAM edition. So listen to this. Okay, there's stuff flopping around in there. I don't really like that. I think that stuff should have been like firmly secured. So hopefully there's nothing wrong with this model. Listen. Hear that? I hope that's not the phone like totally like something wrong. Listen to that. Ah, that's ridiculous. So I think it should have been really secured in there, but it wasn't. So how do I open this? Let's see. Hopefully I can get this open. Okay, there's this little strips of, like tape. I guess you're supposed to do it that way. There's one little thing, like piece of tape. I guess that's the way to open it. Okay, so, wow, listen to all that noise this thing makes. So it's really like flopping around in there, and that's kind of bad. I don't know. I hope this thing isn't damaged, because this is opening it up. So this is the way it came. Moto G5 Plus, United States purchase. So if it's different overseas, I got this here in the U.S., where I am now, and okay, so I took that piece of tape off. Obviously I'm going to get this open at some point, but it doesn't seem to make much difference. I probably wasn't even just going about the right way to do this, so I don't know how I'm going to get this open. Does it like flip open? No. Why does that tape even have to be there if it didn't make any difference when I see, I don't want to break the box. Just want it because, there's a theoretical... Oh, okay, so that does make a difference. All right, so here we go. What has been flopping around? Apparently it's the phone. So when you open this up, right on top you see the phone, and the phone has like some stuff on it. So I guess, is this right side up? No, it's upside down. Okay, Moto G5 Plus, can you see that? Okay, so that's what's in there. And then you just lift it out, and I want to see what's been making all the noise. So what was making the noise was not the phone. That's the good news. Okay, I got it upside down. Let me put this under here. Okay, so here's the phone. You get it, and it's got this stuff on it, that you peel off. Probably right down here, that's where you peel it off. This is the back. So, you're seeing it at the same time I am. Like, it's not super heavy, but it's really metal, which is good. I wanted to get the Samsung S7, but two things I didn't like about it. One was the back was all glass, in addition to the front being all glass. So it's like basically all glass except for around the edges. And then the other thing I didn't like was the cost of it. It was just so high in cost. I've read that this round lens cover, this whole glass thing, is susceptible to breaking, and that it protrudes outwards. Maybe you probably know that already. It's not like flat. It sticks out a little bit, maybe a millimeter or two or three or whatever, but so that can get damaged, but at least it's not the whole back that's glass, like with the Samsung. And like I said, the Samsung costs more. So the good news is this thing was not flapping around there. It's some stuff underneath, like probably the charger or something. Yeah. So here's what was flapping around. One is the charger, and two was the cable that was flapping around. So these two items were flapping around. And then, oh, this little thing is like a little thing to eject the SIM card and micro SD. It's like a little tool, something like, you can do the same thing probably with a paper clip. And then there's just paperwork in there, 3 pieces of paperwork, and that's it. The rest is just cardboard. So what you get is 3 pieces of paper that are in there, and then you get this thing. And you don't have to use this. You can use something that's less powerful that goes with some other device. As long as it's less powerful, I think you would not damage this device by charging it. But if you get something that's stronger, then you're questioning. So you got this, you got a little cable. It doesn't look very long. You got this little tool, and then you got more cardboard, and then you got the phone. So there's not a lot to it. It's really simple. So I guess it's got dual LEDs and then one lens. And this thing's got some kind of weird dirty smudge on it back here, which is too bad. But I don't think there's any damage to this. I hope it's not used because I paid, it was on sale, but it's weird. And I read somewhere that you can get the battery changed. It's not user removable, but you can get it professionally changed, I think I read. So I don't know which way this goes in. Maybe it doesn't make a difference. So I'm going to put this back in here. So I'll have to try it out, but I finally opened it. Just finished getting home from class, and I'm on my break now, technically. So I thought I'd wait till I was on break to unbox this, even though I got it like on Sunday. Oh my gosh. So I got it like quite a few days ago. Today's Wednesday. I got it on Sunday, which was like how many days ago? Tuesday, 3 days ago. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. It's back in the box, but I'm going to check it out. And I hope this thing isn't damaged. It's got a dirty spot right near like the lens glass onto the side of that. But I think it's brand new because it's got that stuff that you have to peel off from it. So how did that dirt smudge? It's like this. Let me show you that again. I want you to see that one disappointing thing about it was that it had, how do you get this thing open? I'm trying to remember. It had that smudge on it that I didn't like. But other than that, you know, seriously though, I mean, if they're going to sell you this thing, and they do cost a lot of money, I want to show you this. Can you see right here, just above my finger, can you see that smudge on there? Okay, it's not showing on the camera very well, but there's a dirty, see it in the light? You can see that now, can't you? Just above sort of my finger as I'm pointing at it. See, I'm going to show you at a few different angles. So there, what is this dirty, sticky stuff? It doesn't even rub off. It's not damage on the metal, but why should that be there? I don't know. It's dirt. How did that get dirty on a brand new phone? All right, so, but anyway, you wouldn't want this to happen to you, but it's not probably, I'll just probably wipe it off with a wet piece of, you know, something wet, and it'll just come right off, I'm sure. So let me pause and I'll try that and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and the good news was I was able to get that off with some just some wet toilet paper, and then followed by dry toilet paper. Just rub it really hard. So if you can see there, it's not on there anymore. Let's just try one thing, just straight out of the box. Does this thing turn on or not? So I'm just pressing the button and really, and hold. Yeah, it turned on. Okay, so look, straight out of the box, it turned on. I held the button in. Now I'm going to turn it back off, but. So, yeah, it turns on right out of the box. You don't need to, now how do you turn it back off? I'm trying to hold the button in. This is weird. So, I can't turn it off now. I don't know what the problem is with.
Hello, Moto.
Okay. You don't have to watch this whole video, but if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can. And I got other videos coming up, but okay, there, I got it turned off finally. All right, so it turns off. You just have to keep pressing that button in. It's different. I've never had this phone. This is my first time with it. Okay, so hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Have a super great time. Thank you.